Box cover, American swimmer Ryan Lochte was attacked on Dancing with the Stars Monday night while the judges were giving him feedback.
Long way to go. Swimming is a, excuse me. Hey, back off. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Off, off.
All right.
Excuse me.
Wow. Okay. Easy. I'll tell you what. All right, we'll take a break. We'll get the rest of the judges' comments. Take a deep breath. We'll be right back.
Wow. Okay? So just in case you've been vacationing under Kim Kardashian's bumper, in August while at the Rio Olympic Games, Ryan Lochte was involved in some sort of scandal after he lied that he was held at gunpoint.
Guy pulled out his gun, he cocked it, put it to my forehead.
And then later it was revealed that him and his teammates basically went to a store, a gas station, vandalized it and mashed up property, and then claimed that he was held hostage and at gunpoint because he didn't want to pay for the damages. He was legit trying to come out as the victim and gain sympathy from people worldwide. Ryan, I swear you and Taylor Swift right now would be perfect for each other.
And I really appreciate you telling me about it. That's really nice.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I over-exaggerated that story, and
But then again, with all that gray on his head, he's probably at that stage where Alzheimer's is a real thing.
Do you remember?
So now back to the matter at hand. Ryan was attacked by some random dude from the audience that was surging towards him shouting, "Liar! Liar!" I'm sure at that time Ryan was probably wondering,
How did you get here?
and I'm just like, wow, America really has a zero tolerance policy for white liars. Oh wow, I mean white lies.
I don't know why.
And my question is, can you imagine if Donald Trump was on this season of Dancing with the Stars? And also, I must commend the producers and camera team for swiftly moving to the Jennifer Lopez stunt double while the bombardation transpired.
Hey, back off. Excuse me.
Bravo, bravo, bravo. I mean, ABC. So that's it, peeps. My name is Dutty Berry. Thanks for watching another episode of The Dutty Berry Show. Make sure that you share your thoughts down below. What do you think? Do you think that Ryan Lochte deserved to be attacked on the show? Should he have been part of the cast in the first place? What do you think should happen from now? Do you think he should be removed to present further occurrences of this? Or do you think people should just forgive and move on and let the guy do whatever he wants to do on the show? Once again, thanks for watching The Dutty Berry Show. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you like it, comment, you share, and you subscribe. If you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. You want to email me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Alright, take care until next time.